This is done. Let's start packing. The first thing I'll do is I'll put the sleeping bag at the bottom. So, and I'll put it in a garbage bag because it's supposed to rain and I don't want to take any chance. This sleeping bag is 4 class up until 0 degree, which is good for 3 seasons. So up until 0 degree, except extreme winter, this one pretty much works. The backpack I have is MT 100. This is 70 liters because I didn't spend money on expensive gear. So my sleeping bag in tent takes a lot of space, which is why I decided to take a little bit heavier backpack. So the sleeping bag goes at the bottom. What else? Now we need to put some heavy stuff at the very bottom. So I'll take the fuel and the pots and I'll keep them at the bottom. Then I'll take the sleeping mattress. I'll keep it on one side. I'll keep the pillow on the other side because I don't need to use it. I also won't be wearing this on the hike, the down jacket, so I'll keep the down jacket on the other side. I have this, which is just to sit because I won't be carrying the chair, so this is good enough. I'll put it at the back of the backpack, so just for extra cushioning, where you would typically put the water bladder, I'll put it here. Next, now we need to put the clothes and the food. So let's put the clothes first. I have 2 sets of underwear, my shorts that I'll be wearing if I go in the lake. This one is to just sleep in. So I'll keep all of this maybe on one side here. Actually, I can open it. So I'll keep all of this stuff here. Perfect. I'll be wearing the t-shirt, so I'll put it on the side. I'll keep the base layer if it's too cold and if I need to wear it at night, so I'll just put it here. A microfiber towel, keep it here. Okay, so now we have the clothes. I need to carry 1 extra t-shirt. So if I wash one, I'll have other one. This I'll wear it on the hike, so I'll just keep it on the side. Next, now we need to take all our food, right? So I'll take a Ziploc and I'll put all this small stuff in. So the snacks go here. These are 2 breakfast, which is like oatmeal with some nuts for extra calories. Protein powder. I have 3 magnesium at night just so I don't get cramps. So these are magnesium biglycinate. They also help you to sleep. So just throw it in here. Electrolytes, I'll just keep them outside so I have easy access to it. I'll just put it in the water. While I'll be hiking, if I feel hungry, I'll keep 2 of these here at the front. These are just like protein bars. Nature Valley, these are like from oats. Okay. So this feels good enough. The other one can just go inside. These are hand warmers, toe warmers, but I just wear them in the socks when I get feel cold. These are called little hotties. So you just take one, you just shake it, and then it becomes hot. So for example, if your feet are really cold, you can just wear them in your socks, or you can wear them inside your gloves, and they give you heat for almost 8 hours. I'll put the links to everything in the YouTube description so you can just take a look. These I can just I'll probably just put them inside as well. I'm carrying some paper like towels. My friend will be carrying the toilet paper, so that's different, but this is just to like wipe my feet or whatever, multi-purpose. These are 4 packets of Maggi noodles. I'll start to close it. Now I'll put it here. So first the food. Make sure to take all the air out. Okay, perfect. So this goes here. And anytime you put the food and everything in, you have to make sure that the weight is towards the center, and the heaviest weight should be around here, so it's closer to your back, like just above your hips, so it doesn't push you forward or pulls you down. So it should be around here. And that's what I've done with my food. I've kept it in the center, at the top, and in the center at the bottom I have the fuel. These are toilet seat covers. I don't want to get any disease. So, and aqua tabs and some Band-Aid if I start to feel like blisters. So this is just like the tape that you can just, if you start to feel hot spot on your toe or something and you feel like you might get a blister, so you can use this. So we can put it in, I'll use a small pouch for it actually. Maybe this. So keep it here. Gummy bears will go at the front. So here, just if I feel, maybe later, I already have the snacks so it should be okay, but I'll just put them here in the food bag. And the coffee, instant coffee, I got this from Nescafe, the Colombian one, so should be good. So we're done with our food. There's still these. So these are the rice. And these are like the meals for 2 lunch and 2 dinner. I'll put them here just in case they leak or something. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. I think I'll only carry 3 Maggi, should be enough. Because I think my friend will also bring his own snacks. This is the rain jacket. I'll be wearing it while I'm hiking, so I'll put it on the side. This is the dry bag. So when you hang the food for the bears, like so that the bear don't eat it, so you can put all your food in this. And there are bear hangers in Garibaldi, so that's what I'll carry it for. At this point, I'll just start stuffing stuff in. The bear spray goes on one side. So here, I have 2 pair of socks, 1 beanie. So basically, I'll just put it here. Yeah, not too heavy. Have the micro spikes. The hat I'll be wearing, so this is a day pack that I'll be carrying. So for going from the Taylor Meadows campground to Panorama Ridge, so I'll just keep it here in this compartment. Here's a bandana if my face gets wet or something. I'm carrying some extra garbage cans for multi-purpose, so I'll just put them here. Some sunglasses. Because I'm a side sleeper, I have a pillow that I keep between my legs as well. So I'll just put it here as well at the top. Toothbrush. My friend will already be bringing the toothpaste, so I don't really need to carry it. A spare cup. So this is like a collapsible cup that you can use for drinking coffee or water. So I'll just carry this. Scissor, a rain poncho, so this needs to be accessible, so I'll put it here at the top compartment. So here's my rain poncho, a headlamp, some people also carry like a tent light, but I think it just adds extra weight, so this should be good enough. I'll have my GoPro, so I'll just put it here. And I'll carry a power bank. I'll actually carry 2 power banks, so one is charging right now, and is a cable for the power bank. So this also goes here. Actually, you know what? I'll be putting this, all the electronics, in this pouch. So this, I have my GoPro, and I have the charging cable and the power bank, just to keep it safe from the rain. Perfect. Oh, I forgot. So this is the bug net. In case there will be a lot of bugs actually around this time, so I'll keep the bug net. Let me put it this way here for easy access. Okay. Here's 2 batteries of the GoPro. Just put them here. I like to carry these water bottles because they are really lightweight, even lighter than the bladder. And so I'll just carry 1 liter of water in this. And my bag has, let me just close it real quick. I'll show you one more thing. This. Here. I almost couldn't find it. So let's make it small. So now, if I turn it around, the bag has this easy access for water bottle. So I'll just keep it here. I'll fill 1 liter water in it. And this will be enough. And I have easy access of it. And if I am thirsty and I want to carry another water bottle just to carry it, I'll probably maybe put it here. And the beer can, I will just like wear it around here or maybe hang it in the carabiner. So if I come into a bear, I can just take it off real easy. So we have all this. Now, where do these two go? The way I like to do it is, this is my sleeping tent. I just like to put it here. But as you know, it might be raining. I'll actually put it in a garbage bag as well. So let's do that. So far, as you can see, I have only 2 plastic bags. One is for electronics and the other one is for all my food. Makes it easy to compartmentalize things. Just need to close it. I think people like to carry like so many extra things like chair and this and that, and I don't know if it's worth carrying all that weight. So this is as lightweight as I can go. Now, so many people have light tent, but I didn't have a budget to buy those expensive tents that are lightweight. So this one is from Mountain Warehouse. I got it for $100. It's still pretty lightweight. Could have been more compact, of course. A lot of people, buy bags that are only 45-50 liters and they're able to fit everything in. But I can't because my stuff has more volume because it's cheaper. My sleeping bag also takes a lot of space, although that's from Decathalon. I really love it. It's 0 degrees. And it cost me only $120. That is also like MT 100. But anyway, so I'll put it upside down like this. It should be relatively okay. And then let me show you how I put it. So this will go here. We're gonna open it all. And now let's pass it on here. I will have to stand. So basically this is what we do. We'll just put it here. It's supposed to be upside down. So just put it here like this. Push it. Okay. So once it's here, it's waterproof, so it'll be fine, honestly. But having a little bit of this trash can will still help. So now it's almost here. Perfect. Now I have the second strap. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna clip it. Perfect. Now that it's done, I'll be pulling it just to make it tight. Yes. Perfect. And same for here, because I don't want it to slip. If it wasn't raining, I wouldn't have put the garbage bag and I would have taken the straps from the handle so it doesn't fall, but since it's gonna rain I don't have that option, so I'll just be making it as tight as I can. Let's make it a bit more tight. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, it's not too heavy. This is the last remaining thing. The tent pad goes here. You take it out. This is done. Backpack done.